Hi everyone, you're welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about how to add text styles to our project. So we are going to explore two options, adding it manually from here and going over using a plugin called Stylist to add the text with a plugin. So first we're going to just add manually. We're going to add our H1 manually. Let me quickly do that. So I'm just going to show you how to add text manually. So we are going to group them into headings, body, and placeholders because that's what we have here. So the headings, under the headings, we're going to have /H1, and then our H1, we're going to start with the regular. So the regular. So we're going to change this to open sans because that's what our headings will have. So open sans. So now that we have open sans, then we're going to change this to regular. Okay, this is already at regular. So we're going to change this to 48 because our heading is 48. So I'm just going to create that for that. So that's regular. So the next heading that we're going to bring in is still regular. It's still heading 1, H1, but we want to have different variations. So the next one, after regular, we're going to bring in semi-bold. So let's make sure it opens sans. So we're going to change this to semi-bold and then change this final one to 48. So I'm going to create this. Make sure you're very accurate with your settings. So this is the H1 and the final one is going to be the bold. So we are not going to add anything like semi-bold and all that. We don't need that. It's too heavy for our project. So I don't even use semi-bold. Sorry, I don't use extra bold or any other thing. It's extra bold that I actually wanted to say. And let's go back to bold. We've added semi-bold, so the final one is bold. So just make sure your settings are accurate, bold, bold, and 48. So now that we've added this now, this is how to add it. So we are going to use a plugin now to add the remaining ones. So we are going to add headings first, then we'll now come back and add our body and our placeholder because they have like a different font. So we're going to use the plugin Stylist. So I'm just going to zoom this out a bit so I can see all the values. And I'm just going to zoom this a little. All right, so I can see all the values that we'll be adding. So first, I'm going to change this to base of 14, and then we're going to change this to major second, and we can leave it at round to integer, and then we're going to change our fonts. Our font is open sans for our heading. So we're just going to bring in our heading. So we're going to add. So since we have already done for our H1, so we need to start from H2 to like H4. So our H2 is 36. So we are going to change it to heading. Don't forget /H2. And we're going to add semi-bold and regular. Yeah, semi-bold and bold rather. Semi-bold and bold. Where is bold, please? So this is bold. Make sure it's selected. All right, so we've added that. The next one is H3. Our H3 is 28, so we don't need this. We're going to uncheck this and 28. So we're going to do heading /H3, and we're going to add the other values, and we're going to add semi-bold, and we're going to finally add our bold. So now that we have this, let's cross-check this one and make sure we choose the right values. So this is, yeah, semi-bold and bold. All right, so the next one is our H4. Our H4 is 24. Looking at this, we don't have 24, so we are going to uncheck the rest because then we're now going to add the 24 manually, please. So we're going to add 24 manually. I'm going to add 24. So we're just going to bring this. So I will show you how this is basically how it comes in with the plugin. So if you go over to your text panel now, you see that your H2 has been added, H2 regular, semi-bold, and bold, just like what we did for H1. You see it has added it to this particular one. So let's quickly add the final one, which is like H4 before we move on. Our H4, we're going to start with regular. And then we're going to change it to open sans. and then yeah, this is regular. So our H4 is, what is our H4 here? Our H4 is 24, so we're going to leave it at 24 pixels. And then so we are going to add another one. We're going to add the semi bold and the bold quickly. So H4 semi bold, and then we are going to change this to open sans, and then we're going to change this to semi bold. So semi bold, and finally here 24. So we're going to create the style, and finally we're going to come here and add our H4 bold this time around, and we're going to do open sans, and then we're going to change this to bold, and then change this to 24, and finally create our final header style. So the next one now that we're now going to create is our body. So to create our body and the rest, we're just going to use the same plugin that we used, but this time around we're going to use Inter. So why we manually added this and used this and didn't do it once is because we can only have one font here, and the fonts that we used the other time is open sans for our headers. So I'm going to use intern for, let's change the settings. Let's use base of 14, just like we did before, and change this to major second. And then we're going to uncheck everything that is not rhyming, because our body text is 16 and 14. So we're just going to do that first. So we have 16 here. So we are going to change this to body / paragraph 1. And then we're going to add, this is under 16, this is our first paragraph, and we're going to add regular, semi-bold, regular, and bold. I think since we don't have medium, you might notice that we didn't add medium, but let me add medium since intern has medium. I'm just going to add medium since intern has medium. I don't know why this thing has me selecting it twice. So we don't need bold for our for those body text. So we just have semi-bold, regular, and medium. So I'll just have to update it later on. So I'm just going to copy this. So I'll just paste on this second one, which is like 14. And then I'm going to change this to 2. And the next thing I'm going to do is to add medium and semi-bold. So that's all what we want. So I'm going to uncheck, okay, this is final for the placeholder. So we're going to change this to placeholder / text. So we're going to add the semi-bold, and medium. So that's just what we want to add. So let's make sure we uncheck anything that we're not adding. So we just added our body, paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and then we're going to placeholder text. So you will see how it will arrange it and make sure all of our settings are correct. So we are going to create those styles. So now you see it's created like a folder for placeholder and order for text. So we are ready to go now. So this is basically everything that we need for our styles. So you will notice that down here, it created all of those styles for us. It's not really that visible. I rarely keep this, so I'll just delete this. I don't actually keep this because I already have the styles here. And to bring in these styles, now let's say I have a text now and I want it to be our H1 bold. What I'll just do is, like, let's say my name, or let me just call my name David. So now it manually has this stuff here, but to make sure that you can actually access the style that we created, just click on these 4 dots here, and then you'll see everything that we've created. You see H1 and everything. So now under our headings, we have H1. We want the bold version of our H1. Oh, I think that's selected. Okay, I'm just going to select this again and try that again. So this is our H1. If you unclick it, you see that it has the settings of our H1 bold, which is like 48 bold, and it's open sans. If we say we want to use the paragraph text 16, we select that also. If we detach this, you see that it's inter regular 16. So regular 16. Alright, so that's basically it for adding our text styles. See you in the next video.